Waiter. Hey, bros. I dey talk to you now. They consider customer. They consider customer.
And yes, since at least you have to come and ask me what do I want.
Okay, sorry, I mean the wash plates. What can I offer you, sir?
What do you have here?
We have Buddha, we have stars, even know eyes, and
Don't worry, I'm a child of God. I don't used to take beer. Do you have any soft drink?
Yes, we have Coke, we have Fanta, we have malt, and anything.
Okay,
you want.
among the soft drinks, which one is the cheapest one?
The cheapest one.
Yes.
Yes, we have malt. Malt is the cheapest one.
How much is malt?
Malt is 350.
350 naira. The motto that I drank last 150 naira.
Oga, malt is 350 naira. Should I bring it or not?
Okay, now what will happen is take this one. Give me cold pure water 10 naira only. Might cool my temper.
Cold pure water in bar. Oga, we don't sell cold pure water in bar.
You don't sell cold water.
Yes,
Pure water.
Yes, if you don't want to buy anything, just get
So
it.
is that how you treat your customers here?
Okay.
And you are saying that you are the best bar in this place. The last time I take malt is 150 naira, and today you are telling me it's 350.
Oga, malt is 350 naira. If you don't want to buy anything, just get out. Get out. Stand up. I say so.